Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best food coloring oil-based option on the market, the AmeriColor Student Kit with 12 vibrant soft gel paste colors. If you're a baker, decorator, or culinary artist, this kit is a complete game changer. The AmeriColor Student Kit includes 12 0.75-ounce bottles of their high-performance soft gel paste colors. You get a full spectrum of shades including black, blue, green, orange, sky blue, teal, and violet. Perfect for everything from cupcakes and cookies to fondant and buttercream. What makes these colors stand out is their strength and consistency. Soft gel pastes offer far more coloring power than traditional liquid dyes. Just a drop or two delivers deep, vivid tones without altering the texture of your batter, icing, or dough. That means your frosting stays fluffy, your cookies stay crisp, and your fondant stays smooth. No thinning, no clumping, no texture issues. Decorators will appreciate that these colors don't separate or weep. If you've ever dealt with fading hues, bleeding colors, or runny icing after freezing baked goods, you know how frustrating that can be. AmeriColor formulas are designed to stay vibrant and stable, even on frozen treats. Another standout advantage is how well these gel pastes work with delicate non-dairy whipped toppings and icings. These toppings often break down when exposed to typical food coloring. But AmeriColor maintains stability. The texture stays perfect and the color stays strong. Consistency is key in decorating, and AmeriColor delivers every time. Whether you're tinting royal icing for detailed cookie work or coloring fondant for statement cakes, the hues stay true across batches. Each bottle is compact, easy to store, and equipped with a no-mess nozzle for precise, controlled application. The kit totals 355 milliliters of product, plenty for multiple projects or even a full season of decorating. Another reason to love this set is the brand itself. AmeriColor is a small business creator, and choosing this kit supports independent manufacturers who prioritize quality. It's also allergy-friendly, gluten-free, peanut-free, and tree nut-free. If you're serious about baking or confectionery art, the AmeriColor Student Kit isn't just a fun addition, it's a must-have tool. The superior color payoff, stability, and ease of use give you professional-level control over your creations. Whether you're preparing for a big celebration or experimenting with new designs in your kitchen, give your treats the vibrant color they deserve with AmeriColor. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into products that truly deliver. See you in the next video.